Hello, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about what they call in text widows and orphans. So as you can see from our layout, we have our headline set, we have our image place, we used a column layout when placing our image, and then we place some placeholder text. But if I want this to look more like a layout for, say, a magazine or a newspaper article, then we may include some drop caps. We may also include some soft returns to indicate where paragraphs begin and end. But you'll notice that sometimes with the text, we sometimes have words that are just small words that appear at the end of a column of text or a paragraph of text. These are called widows and orphans. We essentially don't want to have small words on lines by themselves because it looks awkward and creates a lot of awkward looking negative space. You're looking at this point as the amount of characters that are in a letter that you may include in your paragraph layouts soft returns so that it moves larger words to the next line without creating a whole lot of negative space. So for example, with this paragraph here, I have at the bottom of it a single word that I might want to add some more words to that line in the story. I can do that by inserting soft returns within the paragraph. If I do it to this word above and I hit Shift Return, then you can see it doesn't really fix the problem because now it creates awkward negative space by moving that line, that word down to the next line. I may instead go up here where I have less space and more crowded words. By clicking my cursor here and then hitting soft return, it doesn't create quite as big of a negative space but still allows this word to move down without creating the negative space here. But say for the sake of argument you don't like that space here, well, you can go up to the line above it, hit soft return, and eventually you can start balancing it out the text so you can get rid of the widow or the orphan. That's how we get rid of widows and orphans, and we want to make sure that in our entire stories that we do, that we make those kind of corrections so that we remove all widows and orphans so we have a nice, comfortable reading story.